Hi guys. Welcome once again. Today I am going to show you how validate a JText field which can only type the numbers. First of all, please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. I am using the adding data to JTable interface to show you how validate a text field which can only type numbers. I am using TXTID text field to show you this. I am using key typed event to validate the text field. Let's start our coding. All are done. Let's save and run our project. I use on-screen keyboard to explain interface. You can see that we can type only numbers in the text field. Our program is running successfully. We cannot find any bugs in this code. You can download this project from the link given below in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and rate a comment on our video.